Next we have this longer thought. But wherefore says she not she is unjust? And wherefore say not I that I am old? Oh, love's best habit is in seeming trust, and age in love loves not to have years told. All right, lots to discuss here. My first question is, I want to know why the poem isn't over. Well, I know because it's a sonnet and you need 14 lines, but in terms of a person having these thoughts, the last thought the person had, the speaker had, was acknowledging the core of lies on both sides of this relationship. So that's my first question. Why are we continuing this conversation? And my second question is, why do we get two questions in a row? Why does she say she's not unjust? And why do I not say that I'm old? All right. And my third question is, does the speaker answer his own questions? Are these real answers? All right. So again, we notice language, kind of big picture language this time. And we ask questions. And let's think about our responses. So the first question is, why doesn't the poem end with the previous line? And again, I know it's a sonnet. We need more than 8 lines. But, most relationships end when truth is suppressed. Very strong word, suppressed. It's a rhyming word. It's very strong and emphasized. Something in the speaker makes him continue to explore his heart. We don't know why. We don't know why, but he's going to continue thinking about this relationship. Maybe he's torturing himself, or maybe there's a glimmer of hope. But the fact he continues is important, I think. Secondly, why do we get these two questions about her justice and his age here? So he begins his next line of reasoning with two questions, right? The unjust and the old question. The speaker still wonders why his lover remains deceitful and why she will not admit that he is in fact old and not in fact young and naive. So this is a new thought. Why is it voiced as a question rather than a statement? I think sometimes when you're stuck and something's standing out to you in a work of literature, get rid of all the words, look at the punctuation, what's interesting. Maybe there's exclamations or consecutive questions. This is one of those examples that the punctuation is actually suggestive, I think. It feels like he's given up trying to make sense of her thought process, and he's retreated into questions, almost out of desperation. That's at least what I'm going with at this stage here.